Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Toqeer and today we discuss about empirical formula from combustion analysis. First of all, we discuss what is combustion analysis. Combustion analysis is made to determine the amount of different elements present in a compound by burning a known amount of organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen in the presence of oxygen is called combustion analysis. In simply, combustion is a process of analysis in which we determine the amount of elements which are present in a compound by a process of burning of organic compounds. Or as we know, organic compounds are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And also we know combustion process is occurs when we provide it oxygen. Now we discuss its sole products. Sole products means main products of combustion analysis, which are the main products of the process of combustion. The main products mostly carbon dioxide and water are the main products which we obtain from combustion analysis process. Now we discuss its procedure. What is the procedure? In procedure, first of all, this is a tube, combustion tube, in which firstly in first chamber we take a sample which is organic compound containing hydrogen, carbon and other elements and this tube is fitted in a furnace. Then by this rate oxygen is supplied for starting the burning of organic compounds. In second chamber there is H2O water absorber are present. What is how water is absorbed? Mg MgCl4 by this the water molecule is absorbed in this chamber, and after absorbing the water in next chamber there which have containing carbon dioxide absorber, which we take 50% KOH. With the help of 50 KOH, the carbon dioxide is absorbed in this chamber, and in last chamber containing unabsorbed substance are present. In the whole process we obtain water and carbon dioxide and other substances which we have no required. Now as we written in clearly MgCl042. Now we discuss the calculation of water carbon, means in this how many amount of carbon we obtain and how many amount of hydrogen is obtained from this process. Now we written some formulas. Percentage of carbon formula mass of carbon dioxide divided by mass of organic compounds. Mass of carbon dioxide over mass of organic compound multiply 12.0 over 44 multiply 100. What is this? 12 atomic mass of carbon and 44 CO2 atomic mass, and second percentage of hydrogen, same like carbon. Mass, first we written mass of water molecule over mass of organic compound multiple. Now we written its atomic mass, which is 2.01 over water 18 multiply 100. Now last is oxygen. How can we find the amount of oxygen? In simply percentage of oxygen is equal to 100 minus percentage of carbon plus percentage of hydrogen. Means by this process carbon amount and this formula we obtain hydrogen amount by adding, and also by adding these two amounts and minus from 100, then we obtain the amount percentage of oxygen obtained. Now thank you. Today's lecture is over. If you have any question, please ask me. I hope you get a knowledge from my this video. Allah Hafiz.